Hello friend, now we are going to start the neuron. So in previous class we have already discussed about the neuron structure. So we already seen the multipolar structure of neuron. It might be unipolar, bipolar, pseudopolar, non-polar, and but the detailed structure have been seen in multipolar neurons. So in multipolar neurons, many dendrites with one cytone, one cell structure, and the posterior elongation is called axon. So now we start the connection of the neuron, one neuron to another neuron. This connection is called synapse. So now we are going to start the synapse. What is synapse? How the synapse form? So what is the purpose of formation of the synapse takes place in nerve cell? So first, synapse is the linear combination of the neuron. So here is the one neuron and another neuron. It is the linear combination. So combination of the two neuron. So at the junction is called synapse. At the junction is called synapse. So in synapse, terminal part of axon is used and anterior part of dendrites are of another neurons is involved. So terminal part of one neuron is called presynaptic neuron, and the another neuron anterior part is called postsynaptic. So synapse is the combination of the presynaptic and postsynaptic neuron. So at the end of the presynaptic neuron, a button like structure is present. That button is called exonic button. Exonic button. So in exonic button, here is the exonic button. So in exonic button, many vesicles are present. So these are the vesicles you are seeing here, the vesicles. So vesicle, inside the vesicles, neurotransmitters are present. So there are main neurotransmitter acetylcholine or noradrenaline. These are the neurochemical neurotransmitters. So neurotransmitter which transmit the signal from one neuron to another neuron. So first, the rupture of the synaptic vesicle by the calcium ion. So rupture synaptic vesicle release the neurotransmitter in between synaptic, in the area of synaptic collapse, and these neurotransmitter which makes the depolarization state and maintain the action potential into the another neurons or next neuron, and the continuation of the depolarization occurs. So these neurons generate the action potential and the stimulus or nerve impulse goes to the another neurons, and the continuity of the nerve impulse maintain, and we get the signals from one neurons to another neuron. So this is the whole mechanism of the how we get the signals from one neuron to another. This is the synaptical connection which receive the signal. These signals might be through the chemical process by releasing the neurotransmitter, and the two neurons also connect with the close proximity, that is called electrical synapse. So in electrical synapse there is no secretion of the neurotransmitter. It is just a already depolarization state maintained, and sodium channel or sodium action potential goes to the another neuron, and the continuity of the nerve impulses goes to the next neuron and this is. So this is the neural connection and transmission of the neural signals to whole nerve process. So this is all about. So okay, thank you.